Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students BS Chemistry Physics first semester एसिड बेस कंसेप्ट हम इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री में स्टडी कर रहे हैं। तो आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है बड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। लेटेस्ट कंसेप्ट एसिड बेस का, सॉफ्ट एंड हार्ड एसिड बेस कंसेप्ट वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट है। तकरीबन जब पेपर सेट होता है तो उसमें जितने भी कंसेप्ट आपने पढ़े हैं ज़्यादातर इसी के बारे में पूछते हैं। अच्छा, ये टॉपिक ज़रा लेंथी होगा, हम कोशिश करेंगे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके इसे 2 या 3 लेक्चर्स में कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो बहरहाल इसे हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। सॉफ्ट एंड हार्ड एसिड एंड बेस कंसेप्ट, शार्प कंसेप्ट हम इसे नाम दे देते हैं। देखिए मैं इसे रीड कर देता हूँ। इन ऑर्डर टू अंडरस्टैंड द सॉफ्ट एंड हार्ड एसिड बेस कॉन्सेप्ट, it is essential to know the meanings of Lewis acids and Lewis bases. Lewis base is a lone pair electron donor and Lewis acid is a lone pair electron acceptor. When a Lewis acid E या इलेक्ट्रोफाइल इसे आप कह दें, combine with a Lewis base N न्यूक्लियोफाइल इसे आप कह दें, a chemical bond result En मिलकर, या जैसे न्यूक्लियोफाइल इलेक्ट्रॉन जो डोनेट कर रहा है उससे आप जैसे कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड टाइप होता है एरो के साथ रिप्रेजेंट कर दें। When a pair of electron is held by a sigma bond between two different atoms which differ widely in size, electronegativity, the bonding pair will be held more tightly to one core than to the other। वो polarity वाली बात आ गई। A bond of this type is generally highly polar and relatively labile and is referred to as coordinate bond. When the rates of reactions are considered, the Lewis acids are called electrophiles and Lewis bases are known as nucleophiles. The Lewis acids include most of the cations while the Lewis bases are mostly the anions and neutral species with lone pair of electrons. If we break the organic molecule conceptually, we see that it is also a combination of Lewis acid and Lewis base. For example, C2H5OH, इसमें आप OH को इससे अलग कर दें तो C2H5O जो है, या C2H5 जिस पर प्लस चार्ज हो, ये लेविस एसिड होगा। OH क्लियरली लेविस बेस के तौर पर एक्ट करेगा। अच्छा, C2H5 plus is Lewis acid and OH minus is a Lewis base. Hence, all carbonium ions, although may not exist freely, are considered to act as Lewis acids or electrophiles, since they contain such a structure which can accept a pair of electrons from the Lewis base. Similarly, OH ions act as Lewis base or nucleophiles. In 1958, Chat and co-workers divided Lewis acids, acceptor molecules and ions into two classes. Class A में those Lewis acids which form their most stable complexes, with the first member of group 5, 6 and 7 in the periodic table, that is nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, which act as donor atoms or ligands. क्लास बी क्या थी? कि those Lewis acids which form their most stable complexes with the donor atom are ligands of the subsequent elements of these groups. नाइट्रोजन के नीचे फास्फोरस है, ऑक्सीजन के नीचे सल्फर है, फ्लोरीन के नीचे आगे क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन वगैरह आ गए. The donor atoms and ions, जिन्हें हम लेविस बेस कह रहे हैं, were classified on the basis of electronic affinity, coordinating ability, effective charge, ionic size, and polarization considerations. The electron affinity sequence of various groups of electron pair donor atoms and ions with respect to class A and class B electron pair acceptors is given below. In class A, fluorine is very much greater than chlorine and then bromine and then iodine. ये एक बार एक sequence आ गई. It is observed that greater the value of electron affinity between donor acceptor atoms or ions, greater will be their coordinating affinities. Thus, in general, more stable complexes of donor atoms, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, will be formed with class A acceptors, and class B acceptors will form less stable complexes with fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen in their respective oxidation states. Polarization of the donor ligands by the acceptor also plays an important role in determining the stabilities of the complexes. Based on the polarization consideration, Pearson introduced the idea of hard and soft acid and bases. According to him, Lewis bases ligands which are more polarizable are soft, and those which are less polarizable are hard. For example, the atom fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen are the hardest Lewis bases. Hence, Pearson's concept of hard and soft acid and bases is in close agreement with class A and B acceptors given by Chat and coworkers. Class A refers to hard acids and class B to soft acids. Pearson, based on the concept of polarizability, divided the Lewis acid and bases as below. अब ये चार एक डेफिनेशंस हैं, इसकी जो एग्जांपल्स हैं उसे हम बाद में नोट कर लेंगे. तो ये पहले जो है ये सारा एक कंसेप्ट दिया गया. द डोनर एटम्स ऑफ लो पोलराइजेबिलिटीज, हाई इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटीज and associated with empty orbitals of high energy are classified as hard bases. They are hard to oxidize. Soft bases, the donor atoms of high polarizabilities, low electronegativities, associated with empty orbitals of low energy are termed as soft bases. They are easy to oxidize. And hard acids, these are acceptor atoms of high positive charge, small size, and do not have outer electron which can be easily excited. And soft acids क्या होंगे? These are acceptor atoms of low positive charge, large size, and have several outer electrons which can be easily excited. बस ये चार डेफिनेशंस फिलहाल इतना शॉर्ट से मैंने इसे जैसे बताया आपको, इसे थोड़ा करके आप रीड करते जाएं, याद करते जाएं. कंप्लीट हुआ आज का लेक्चर. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अल्लाह की अमान.